Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a sound on a clarinet. This will be a tutorial for blowing into the instrument, so let's get right into the video. If you want to make a sound on the clarinet, this is the video for you. If you are an absolute beginner, this is definitely the video for you. And even if you just want to improve your sound, your embouchure on the clarinet, this is definitely going to be a great video tutorial for you as well. Let's get right into it. So essentially the first thing that you need to do is assemble your clarinet. So make sure you've assembled your clarinet and make sure your reed is on there nicely. Make sure your reed is nice and wet and moist, and make sure your reed is in line with the mouthpiece. So you want the tip of your reed to be in line with the tip of the mouthpiece right there. You want them to be basically at the same level, okay? Now what you want to do next to make your sound, you're not going to press any notes. So you can hold on to the clarinet however you want to for this part, because you're just focusing on your embouchure, which is essentially your lip positioning for the clarinet mouthpiece, okay? So I'm just going to hold it like this. Doesn't matter about finger positioning because we're not pressing anything. Just make sure you don't press any buttons. So I recommend you hold the neck of it over here. There's no buttons. And then the bell, there's no buttons, okay? Now essentially what we're going to do, take the reed portion and you're going to put your bottom lip like this, okay? You're going to put the reed against your bottom lip like that, just like that, okay? Then you're going to put your top lip over this angled part on the mouthpiece and you're going to blow it and puff out your cheeks a little bit, just like this. So check this out, okay? Like that. Okay, enough showing off about my breath work. Whoa, got a little bit lightheaded there. I could go for longer. Like honestly, that was probably, I don't know, maybe like only 60% of the breath that I had. I could have kept going, but lots of people would have clicked away on the video by that point, by the time I was finished. So essentially, if you're not producing any sound, a couple of things can be going wrong. First and foremost can be your embouchure, which like I said, your embouchure is going to be your lip positioning. It just means like how your lips are positioned on the mouthpiece. I don't know what like it actually translates to, but embouchure is in any sort of lip focused instrument. So there's embouchure in saxophone, there's embouchure on the trumpet. I'm a trumpet player as well. So you know, there's embouchure, and it just means that your lips are positioned properly. Make sure that lower lip is rolled in over your teeth, okay, like that. Make sure your reed is nice and flat on those lower lips, like that, on that lower lip. And then make sure you're just putting your upper lip over, like that, and then puff out your cheeks. Okay, so if you're not getting sound, it can be your lip positioning. The reed also might be not moist enough, not wet enough, so wet it again. It can be too far forward or too far backward compared to the mouthpiece. Your ligature can be too tight or not on properly. So kind of experiment, or maybe your reed has a chip in it. If it has a chip or a break, it's probably not going to work as properly as it should, as well as it should. You know, if you're not getting any sound, try those things out. But essentially, it's just a matter of licking your lips, getting that position, like that, puffing out those cheeks. And blowing into the instrument. And that's how you get a sound out of a clarinet. And then obviously you can later learn to hold it properly and play different notes. But for now, I just want you to get the sound. That's the first step towards playing the clarinet. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.